Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Let's get started with the makeup brushes. For like Valentine's Day, they have the pink ones, and they have the lovely Beauty Mini Fan. So I guess once you put your makeup on, you can set your face. Nice, handy. And it's more makeup brushes. Ooh, different colors for you to choose from. And this is a lip gloss with a pom-pom. I think they're all the same color. Kind of like a rich pink color. And this one's more of a lighter pink, with different shades of pink. And we have a comb. That's the emery board set, the scrunchie, the microfiber hair wrap, so much. We have the lovely, I don't think this is faux wood. I don't think it's actually wood, or some of it may be, but they have the signs and the creative shapes in black and white. You can use as is or take it apart and use it for something else. Those flower hooks in black and gray. Let's see what else. Hearts. I believe we've shown those before. This is awesome. You can make a center decorative piece with this and use all the different items. They have the baskets. Ooh, la la. More. Show me more. Show me more. It's coming up. And look at these decor pieces. 3 different flower shapes. These are not new, but these are new colors. I guess, I don't know, for the season, they have kind of this light, kind of mintish, light green, the gray basket, and they have one more color, this brown. It's kind of a different brown, more of a taupish brown type of color, or coffee brown, maybe a light coffee, maybe a latte or something like that. Who knows? But you see the color. And they have the different shaped baskets, different sizes, different shapes. And the larger ones are at the bottom. Awesome. And then they have more. This is kind of like a bucket, or, it has handles. And then regular shape items. And they're all these 3 main colors. Awesome, awesome. You can mix and match or just buy all the same color if you want to, or 2 colors. And then they have the water bottles to even match. I was surprised they had even this set. So you can buy the whole different set and these 3 colors for you to choose from. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then they have these and bigger kind of pails or baskets. Those are kind of huge. So many to choose from. Awesome find. Mix and match the colors. The Power Stick Shower Gel. Not new, but they brought them back. So if you didn't find them the first time, hopefully you'll find them this time. I was surprised to see them back again, because usually sometimes when you find certain things and later on you don't see it ever again, it's like it disappears from the face of the earth. Item by Softy. For textured hair, it's an oil sheen conditioning spray. Nourishes, shines, protect, satin and shea, and it's 1.6 fluid ounces. It's supposed to be lightweight because you don't want heavy oils on your hair. Next, we have the Tea Tree Eucalyptus Daily Moisture Hair, Body, and Scalp Oil. And it's with natural oils and botanical extracts formula, mineral oil free, and it's 1.5 fluid ounces. And the kind of gold copper one is called Brazilian Mango. I wonder if it smells. I forgot to smell it to see how it smells because it seemed like it would smell really good. I love the smell of mango. It's a daily moisture hair, body, and scalp oil as well. And it has the 1 point fluid ounces. And then we have one more, and it is by Softy, of course. It's Perfect Edge Control, and it's enriched with olive oil and aloe, and it's 2 ounces. It's supposed to tame and texturize. Last week, I showed you all those um, desk items, and they have more now. And the copper and gold. And then they have the pencil holder, the pen holder. Look at this, the wire. It looks the letter holder. They have the copper and gold. Wow. See, you have to choose from. So you can set up your desk with either gold or copper or a combination of both. Both. It's great that you have choices. The tape dispenser, socks, 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 and more socks, of course. And some of these socks are by Disney. Look at these. These are so adorable. Then we have the villains. Ooh. And sizes 9 to 13. And then we have, these are crew socks. So you get to see the Lion King. Ooh, Masafa. Ooh, Masafa. Ooh, Masafa. Who has watched that movie? I have. Let me know in the comment section if you have watched the newest Lion King movie. They even have Marvel in there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Seems like Dollar Tree always has great character socks. I wonder who idea it was. Let's see. And that is about it. Name brand Nature's Valley yogurt toppers, honey blueberry with oats, honey, granola, dried blueberries, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. And there's 8 packs in there. That is awesome. Great to go for this, quick little snack. We have the Dupe Pink Cleaning Supplies. These are by Home Bright. This first one is Power Foamy Bathroom Cleaner. Pink grapefruit scent, non-drip formula, removes and helps prevent lime scale and soap scum. 2, we have Power Foaming Carpet Cleaner with a pink grapefruit scent, heavy traffic deep cleans, neutralize odor, and they're both plant-based. So if you try these dupes, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's see. Jot, of course, Jot is always great and fabulous. This is a magnetic dry erase board, kind of like a calendar. Has Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's not very big. If you can write quick little reminders on there, but nothing long and drawn out. Just something quick and easy. Say, hey, Tuesday store or something like that. Or Tuesday, Thursday, whatever. In the hair accessory, we have these claw clips. They're like navy blue. I thought they were a little different. Dollar Tree tends to have some unique, kind of out of the norm hair claws. If you like them, if you wear them, let me know. And these were two different ones. And then the next one, we have this hair clip and it's gold and it has a faux pearl at the end. So if you're going to something a little more dressy occasion, you can always put the gold and the pearl in your hair. Now it's time for our dollar plus section. It may include one, two, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. I thought this Sesame Street backpack was so adorable. It has 6 markers, 6 jumbo crayons, 4 foam stampers, 2 sticker sheets, 1 artist pad, and 1 ink pad. I think it's great, especially if you're traveling, especially I know it's only January, but with a few months away, it'd be summer. And if you travel, great, awesome, fine. Then we have, last but not least, we have this Quick Lawn grass seed mixture, and it costs $5. And everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And, click that thumbs up. It only takes less than 1 second just to click it. Maybe two to find it and one to click it. 2 seconds max. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.